Let's go to Carter's to buy a watermelon together. Mr. Carter showed us how to pick a watermelon.
Welcome to Carter Melons. Let me show you how we pick. So we always tap them. We listen for the echo or the hollow sound. Yeah. All right. The more echo that you hear, if it's like a hard echo, like you're hitting wood, that means the watermelon is ready. It's ready to eat today, right? If it's flat, that means that it is getting overripe. So that means it's not so good. You need to either eat it right away or it'll go bad. The more flat sound that you hear, the more ripe the watermelon is, right? Because you want to get like a nice balance, a nice echo, like this. Also, because these are larger watermelons, so they have a lot more water content too. In them. Like this one here is a good one. You want to hit it?
Yeah, let me hit that.
Wow.
I'm married. Okay. Yes.
There you go. So this would be the best choice right here.
Okay, let's take that one.
Right? This watermelon sold out. So you calling for you? We have been in business for 75 years. Actually, my grandfather started selling watermelons in Georgia in the 1950s. Then he migrated. He brought the family up here to Philadelphia, and he's been selling watermelons ever since. My father has been selling watermelons at this corner since 1985. And he recently passed away, so my brother and I have taken this over. So we are 4 generations here on this corner. My father, me, his father, and my sons are all out here sometimes also. But this is my nephew.
Cousin.
Family business.
We love watermelon. We also know it's the sign of Palestinian resistance. So this is a perfect intersectional moment. I picked out a red and yellow watermelon. I was having a barbecue this weekend and I needed a whole watermelon for myself. If you're in Philly and need a watermelon, this is where you go.
84th and Lindbergh.
I was so excited to open my watermelon. I told everyone at the barbecue that I am officially bringing the fruit. Do not argue with me. I'm allowed to say that because I'm an older sister. This yellow watermelon was sweet, crunchy, and a little bit more mild than your traditional red watermelon. All of Carter's watermelons are seeded. I decided to cut the yellow one into traditional tiny wedges for the barbecue. As a registered dietitian, I love watermelon. It's a great source of vitamin B5, vitamin A, vitamin C, copper, and potassium. Watermelon is also a source of citrulline. Both the citrulline and potassium are supportive of managing your blood pressure. Yellow watermelon is an excellent source of beta-carotene, an antioxidant which helps reduce oxidative stress. The red watermelon I got from Carter was so wide I had to film it in widescreen. Carter was not joking about that water content. I could hear the skin crack as soon as I got my knife wedged into it. Look at that beautiful red flesh and those seeds. This is an old school watermelon with the seeds in it. Red watermelon is going to be much higher in lycopene than the yellow one, and lycopene is an antioxidant which supports our blood cell health. Both the yellow and the red watermelon are going to provide excellent sources of hydration as well as fiber to support your gut health. I decided to use this watermelon for my weekly meal prep, so I'm cutting it into nice clean cubes that I can throw into my bowl and put a lid on. I start by trimming away all the rind. Interesting though, some people make pickles out of the rind. And the white part of the rind is where you're going to find your citrulline, which can support your blood pressure management. Once that rind is removed, I'm cutting wide horizontal slices, vertical slices, and then cross-hatching it. Cut watermelon is so expensive when you buy it, and it's much, much, much cheaper when you cut it yourself. You can feed your whole family for the same price you'd buy 1 little cup of cut watermelon. You're also significantly reducing your trash because there's no plastic throwaway product. Carter and his family really know what they're doing with these watermelons. It was crunchy, it was sweet, and it really reminded me of my childhood as I munched through the seeds. And once again, this watermelon was huge. Everything that I cut is only half, and I still have a whole other untouched half that I'm going to get to once these bowls are empty. If you're out here in the Philadelphia area, make sure to stop by Carter's Watermelon at 83rd and Lindbergh. And if you're enjoying my food and nutrition content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Look for me at Nutrition by Netta.